Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I did my JuMBO twist. I used Marley hair for this, and I'm just going to show you how I put it in. I kind of came up with like a different way of like putting them in. So I'm going to show you how I did that. Yeah, so first I'm going to just like brush my hair, and these like jumbo size, I guess you would say. And I'm gonna get a little bit of gel, some hair grease, and then I'm just going to plait my hair in the front. So I'm gonna plait it like this. And okay, so after I do that, and I'm just gonna twist it the rest of the way down. And then I'm going to grab 3 pieces of hair. I have 4 on some, but in the front, I want it to be not so like big and bulky. And then I'm gonna take a rubber band and I'm going to pull the hair through the rubber band like this. Okay, so hair is on a rubber band. See the rubber band? And then I'm going to take the rubber band. I'll throw the hair at the top. Okay, and I'm just gonna pull my hair through the rubber band. Okay, so my hair's inside the rubber band, and then I'm just going to put the rubber band. Oh, hold on. I should put this hair there. Just put the rubber band, wrap it around my plait. Just do it a couple times. Well, not too tight, but tight enough that the rubber band won't slip out. And then it's gonna look like this. Okay, so it'll look like that. And then I'm going to take, let me separate this here because it gets kind of, take one of the strands and I'm gonna wrap it around. So I wrapped it around, and then I'm going to start to twist. And in the beginning, I kind of like hide my hair, and then I twist. And that's how I do it. I'll get a close-up on it so you don't see the rubber band, and it's not super tight, and it'll stay in there. Yep, so that's how I do my twist. And I literally just came up with this method. Like, I was trying to do like braids, but a lot of times they slip because I don't do like the crossover method when I'm braiding. So when I do larger braids, they slip a little bit. So I was like, I needed to do my hair like quick. And yeah, so that's what I did. And I used the Marley hair because I wanted it to look kind of like messy, not real perfect. Like the regular twists, they're really like, you know, perfect. I wanted to have that like messy look to my twist. Yeah. So I used the Marley hair for that. And I'm gonna do these last 2. So I'm just gonna plait it. Okay, so this is the final look. Then my twister done. I like to just pull on them, kind of stretch it out a little bit. And the good thing about these are, if you know you need to refix them, it's easy to take out and and redo. So you don't have to like take out a plaid or all of that. That's why I like twist. Yeah. So what the back looks like. And, yeah. I have to fix this one in the back. So a few of them I had to fix because when I first started, I was doing it like not the right way. So I kind of developed this rubber band method like after I did like the back section. And yeah, so that's a good way to put them in and hide the rubber band if you need to hide the rubber bands. I'm just taking out this extra couple pieces right here, and then I'm just gonna might just leave that one alone actually. Just gotta fix it. But yeah, super easy to do. It's different. You can style it. Let me see how I style this. You can put half of it up like that. Something so you can put half of it up. Like that. Of course, I'll probably make it a little bit tighter, but you could do something like that. Wear it down. You could wear it all up, like pull it all up and put it in a ponytail. Something like that. I'm not gonna put the ponytail holder, but you could do that. Yeah. So I might just wear it like half up and then leave a few pieces down. Leave this one down here. Pull the other ones up. Or you could just wear it down like so. Yeah. So this is just a quick style that I did just because my hair something had to get done to it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already done so. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.